Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can organize your dressing table, dressing units to keep it clean and well maintained. And I'm really thankful to everyone who has subscribed to our channel. Please keep supporting us. So that's how my dressing table is. So in this, I'll show you how I have organized it so that you can get some idea to organize your dressing table as well. So first of all, in the first row I have kept all my perfumes, my body mist, my fragrances and also facial kit. So from the tiniest perfume to the medium size to the biggest I have kept over here. So that's my Versace perfume and I really love this fragrance. I'm kinda Versace fan. So here's my facial kit and some little extras thing you can keep at the end where your hand is generally not reachable. So in the next row I'll show you I have kept all my makeup items. So starting from the primer to foundation to concealer, I have kept everything over here in a sequence so that once you need it you can easily take it out. So here is my bronzer and below it I have kept my compact, so it is easily accessible. And the set of nail paints or nail paints I have kept in such boxes so that once you'll take it out it doesn't fall. I mean the other nail paint doesn't fall. And my eyeshadow palette I have kept it behind because I rarely use it, so I have kept it behind. Here comes my third shelf where I have kept all the lipsticks, brushes, makeup brushes, eyeliners, lip liners, everything. So I have used this container to keep my mascaras, eyeliners, lip liners and kajals, and I have used this to keep my lipsticks. This is my DIY makeup brushes holder. I have made this little pussycat out of toilet rolls. For this you can find the link in my description. So all the brushes I have kept here. I use this aloe vera gel daily, so I have kept it in front so that I can easily take it. And my blenders and sponges I have kept at the end because I rarely use it. So that's how I have kept my makeup in these two rows. The third row is dedicated to my husband, although generally perfumes and fragrances are here for him, and for me this lotion and oil in this row. In the last row I have kept my straighteners, curlers and the big straightener and some earbud or some face pack types of thing which I don't use, so I have kept it in the last row. Generally there is a dedicated drawer for my hair equipments, but I wanted to keep this curler and straightener over here, so I have kept it. So that's how even you can organize it. You can use some containers or some holders to keep your lipsticks, eyeliners and makeup brushes. In that way it is easily accessible. So now here comes a hanger, like stool holder you can say, where I have kept all my hair bands. This is the tissue box which I got from Bali. It's written over there also as well. And in the side you can see a DIY planter. This DIY plant holder, or you can say vase, I made it from cement. So now comes this first drawer. I generally use these baskets to keep my clutches and bands. I use this basket to keep bindis of all kinds and nail cutters. And this basket I use to keep my clutches, my daily use rubber bands, some bob pins. I have used this little pouch to keep the rubber bands which I rarely use. So all my rare used rubber bands are over here. And this the other pouch I have used to keep my sari pins. So your sari pins will remain safe in such kind of pouches. So make sure even you also start using such things. These are my watches. It's my Tommy watch and the other one is my MK watch, Michael Kors. So I keep my watches in my first drawer. It's very handy to take it out whenever you need it. And the main purpose of organization is that if you are taking one thing out, the other thing should not get disturbed, right? So that's the main purpose of organization. I have used this little container to keep my tic tacs, my little clutches. So that's how I have used baskets, little containers, some pouches to keep my stuffs. This is portable mirror which I take when I travel. And my comb, daily use comb, I have kept in the first drawer. So that's how I have set this drawer. Now comes the second drawer. It's dedicated to my husband. It's like purely dedicated to him. I cannot even touch it. So he keeps his trimmer and then this shaving kit, watches, shades, everything in this drawer. So it's very simple. I mean, there is nothing to organize in this drawer. The shades and watches are over here. I mean, it's all stuff is just in one drawer, and see my stuff's taking all the, occupying all the dressing table. This comes my third drawer. Here I have kept my Dolce & Gabbana perfume, which I guess I need to take it out now. It's high time. And my this hair dryer I also kept here. This is some hair curler, some velcro types, and then my pedicure kit, wax strips, and my all kinds of shades from all brands I have kept over here. You can see my shades. So that's how I kept all my shades here and other stuffs. I hope you guys are liking the organization, and it will also help you, I guess. I just wish that my organizations are helping you guys. Like jewelry organization also I have done earlier. So that's how my dressing table is looking, and I just wish even you try it. Yeah, I just wish. And if you are doing it, just let me know and tell me how you like this video or not. Is it helpful or not? And thanks for watching, and thanks again for subscribing my channel. Thank you so much.